automotive, manufacturing, pharmacy, chemical, transportation, or energy, or in fact IT. If any of these areas are your keen interest, then please go with the video ahead. Technoviz Automation has brought a lot of knowledge material for enthusiasts like you who want to explore the world of industrial Internet of Things, as well as want to understand that how a machine hardware is connected through a software and can be relied on the basic principles of robotics and can be put on internet so that we can have a better automation efficiency workflow. Technoviz Automation have also taken an initiative to build this center of excellence at Raipur with collaboration with Kalinga University, where they provide workshops, they provide internships, as well as a lot of opportunities for students, not just to learn the theory, but also work on this fantastic assembly line, which has a conveyor, which has a digital input, which has an IIoT controller, and much more. If you want to learn more about or experiment about manufacturing in the use cases of creating an assembly line, developing a distribution system, having automation as much as possible, learn about robotics, that how robots can be a part of the entire automation funnel, and also how you can efficiently manage all your data points in a single dashboard. If these things excites you, then this is the brand which can help you out to take your dreams and turn into reality. Finally, if you are someone who is an industrial professional at the base of Industry 2.0, 3.0, or even transforming yourself into the upcoming trend of Industry 4.0, please be free to connect with us. We have a lot of knowledge material coming up in a form of a book as well as in form of a courses. Thank you so much.